Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix Windows 11 sound not working. If your Windows 11 sound is not working, it can prevent you from hearing music, videos, or system alerts. This issue may be caused by incorrect audio settings, driver problems, or muted devices. In this guide, you'll learn simple steps to troubleshoot and restore sound on your Windows PC. To begin, check if your speakers or headphones are properly plugged in and make sure your device is powered on if using external speakers. Now, click the speaker icon in the taskbar and increase the volume. Right-click the speaker icon again and select Sound Settings to click. Under Output, choose the correct audio device. Click the selected device and make sure it's not muted. Now, go back, scroll down and click Volume Mixer. Ensure individual app volumes are not muted or in the lower volume. Now go back to Settings, System, Sound, scroll down to Advanced section. On Troubleshoot, click the output devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to detect issues. If still no sound, right-click the Start, Device Manager, Sound, Video and Game Controllers, then update your audio driver. Finally, restart your computer after updating drivers. If the issue continues, try uninstalling the audio driver in Device Manager and restarting Windows to reinstall it automatically. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.